Understanding Insurance Planning, a guide for beginners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important financial term, insurance planning. Whether you're learning English for personal growth, business, or finance, understanding this term is crucial. So, let's get started and uncover what insurance planning is all about. Insurance planning is a critical component of financial management. It involves analyzing your insurance needs, understanding different types of insurance, and then selecting the right policies to protect yourself, your family, and your assets. It's like creating a safety net for the unknown future. We'll explore why insurance planning is essential and how it can offer peace of mind and financial security. There are several types of insurance, each serving a unique purpose. We'll look at the most common types. Life insurance provides financial support to your loved ones after your death. Health insurance covers medical expenses and protects you from high healthcare costs. Auto insurance protects you from financial losses due to car accidents. Property insurance covers your home and belongings in case of damage or theft. Understanding these will help you grasp how diverse and vital insurance planning is. 1. Assess your needs. Consider what aspects of your life need protection. 2. Understand policy terms. Learn about premiums, coverage, and exclusions. 3. Compare policies. Look at different options to find what suits you best. 4. Plan for the future. Think about long-term needs and how your insurance should evolve. This section will give practical steps to take in your insurance planning journey. We'll debunk some myths like, insurance is only for the elderly, or, it's too expensive. Understanding these misconceptions will help you make informed decisions and realize the true value of insurance planning. Thank you for watching. We hope this video clarifies what insurance planning is and why it's so important in your financial life. Remember, it's not just about buying insurance, it's about planning for a secure future. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in our next video.